Welcome to the ultimate guide to navigating Dubai's bustling streets with ease. In this video, we will take you on a comprehensive journey through everything you need to know about taking a taxi in Dubai. From finding the best taxi services to understanding the fare structure, we've got you covered. Dubai offers numerous ride-hailing applications are accessible. However, presently, the network is mainly dominated by 6 significant providers that simplify the process of hailing a cab to take you home. You have various options to choose from, including the original Dubai taxi service provided by RTA, which is typically the most budget-friendly option, to internationally recognized ride-hailing platforms like Yango, Uber, and Careem. Whether you're a local resident or a first-time visitor, our guide will equip you with all the tips and tricks you need to make the most out of your taxi experience in this vibrant city. So sit back, relax, and get ready to become a Dubai Taxi Pro. Dubai International Airport provides a range of specialized vehicles, making the process of getting a taxi at the airport quite straightforward. At each terminal, there is a dedicated taxi queue where taxis are available 24 hours a day to pick up passengers. The meter will begin at 25 dirhams, which is a standard airport pickup fee, when taking a taxi from Dubai Airport to Dubai. Subsequently, the fare is 1.96 dirhams per kilometer. Alternatively, if you prefer to hail an Uber, you can use your Uber app and select Dubai International Airport as your location. Your ride will then be confirmed, and your pickup point will be determined based on the terminal you are currently located at. To travel from Dubai to Abu Dhabi via taxi, you should expect to pay between 250 dirhams to 300 dirhams for a one-way trip. You can either flag down a taxi from the roadside or book one through Careem to transport you to the capital city. Let's move on to which taxi and ride-hailing apps to use in Dubai. Blacklane. Blacklane, a professional chauffeur service, provides transportation from Dubai Airport to the city. By using their mobile application, you can schedule your ride in advance, and the chauffeur can wait for up to an hour at no extra cost. Their services can be found at blacklane.com. Careem. Download the Careem mobile application, which was on our list of must-have apps to download when you move to Dubai. You can choose from a range of cars, book a Hala Taxi to travel within Dubai, or even book intercity journeys between the Emirates. Mobile application is available for Android and iOS. Your charge will include starting fee, rate per kilometer, and waiting time. The total cost will depend on chosen vehicle and distance traveled. Dubai Taxi Corporation. If you spot a red-roofed car with a friendly driver, you're in a taxi operated by the Dubai Taxi Corporation. These cabs can be hailed on the streets of Dubai or reserved ahead of time. It's worth noting that these are the only taxis in Dubai that can be flagged down on the street. But keep in mind that rush hour and driver changeover times can affect availability. Hala Taxi. If you're looking for a budget-friendly taxi option in Dubai, Hala Taxi is a great choice. It's available on Careem as one of the options, where you can select your preferred pickup and drop-off locations and choose between a car or a van. To book a Hala Taxi, simply select the Hala Taxi option while using the Careem app on your Android or iOS device. The pricing structure is reasonable, with a starting fee of 8 dirhams, a minimum fare of 12 dirhams, and 1.91 dirhams charged per kilometer. Yango. Yango, a well-established ride-hailing app in over a dozen countries, has recently made its debut in Dubai. Developed by Yandex, the Russian search engine giant, Yango offers an array of features including the ability to book multiple cars using a single phone and finding alternative pickup points to reach your destination quickly and affordably. Their fleet of vehicles is similar to other ride-hailing services, with options including the Lexus ES in their comfort class. To book a ride with Yango, you can download their mobile application, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. Your fare will be calculated based on the starting fee, rate per kilometer, and waiting time, with the total cost dependent on your chosen vehicle and the distance traveled. Uber. Unless you've been living under a rock or taking some serious daily step counts, you must have heard of Uber. This taxi company operates in 10,000 cities across 71 countries, and offers a user-friendly experience. You can easily select your destination, get an estimated cost before confirming your pickup, and even book rides up to 30 days in advance. To book a ride with Uber, all you need is their mobile application, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. Uber offers a flat rate, which makes it a more cost-effective option for longer distances. XXRIDE. XXRIDE is a recent addition to the licensed taxi services operating in Dubai, and it comes with a strong reputation on the global stage. This ride-hailing and ride-sharing service is available in over 700 cities worldwide, giving you access to their extensive network. To book a ride with XXRIDE, simply download their mobile application, which is available on both Android and iOS devices. Your fare will be calculated based on the starting fee, rate per kilometer, and waiting time, with the total cost dependent on your chosen vehicle and the distance traveled. That is all we have for you on this topic. Thank you for watching our video on the best ride-hailing providers in Dubai. Whether you're a resident or a visitor, we hope this information has been helpful in making your transportation decisions easier. From affordable pricing to global networks and advanced features, each of these ride-hailing providers brings something unique to the table. So, next time you need to get around in Dubai, you can make an informed choice based on your needs and preferences. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.